I just wanted to make a quick video here about this. So I get these emails all the time, cold emails, mostly from India and Pakistan. So if you're watching this from India and Pakistan, I don't want to rip on you. I want to commend you because a lot of you people are so much more proactive. This is about marketing, this channel, and I know it's not that fantastic. I already know that people blow me away on production. I already know I'm an older guy. I get all those things. But you know what I do for my clients? I work hard. That's what I do. And sometimes I've worked hard on the wrong things, but at the end of the day, if I can't do something, I'll let them know. And I'm the expert, so I'm not going to listen to them yammer on about what they know. Instead, I'll just say, bye-bye, how about you do it yourself? But what I'm saying is with these types of emails, I mean, I'm blown away by how much detail. I get these all the time. And they say stuff like, I love this, I've been following your YouTube channel for a long time. Well, that's BS, because no, you haven't. I just started doing these daily videos on May 4th. So, okay, whatever. You upload videos regularly, and it is straggling, but you have ever found out problems of it? Okay, so broken English. Why is your channel not growing organically? Why are your video views, subscribers, and watch hours not increasing? So he's agitating. He's showing the problem. He's the solution, but he's showing the problem. I mean, look, we should take this advice. If you're marketing your business, you should reach out to people and obviously show them the problem that they have and then be the solution. Agitate it a little bit. So I like this. I mean, I do. I'm going to mark it as spam, but I've identified your problems by doing a full channel audit. And if you want, I can share it with you with proper guidelines. I can reach the final stage of success on the YouTube platform. I will be waiting for your email. I hope we will work together and do something good. Look, human, I get it. I don't fault these guys for trying, and then of course they give me all of the stuff that's wrong with my channel, and there's a ton of stuff wrong with my channel. This actually is a challenge that I accepted to do. Gary Vee, I heard one day talking about it. Then somebody I was talking to said, how about you, I bet you couldn't do a video a day for 180 days. I am busier than I've ever been. I have legacy marketing clients. I'm also an insurance agent. And right now, my time is blocked. Pretty much all I do is work. That's all I do. So when I get an email like this, and who, by the way, I already have somebody helping me who sent me the same type of video. Okay. Bottom line, let me land the plane. I love that these people, even from the other side of the planet, are taking the time to make screenshots and pointing out what's wrong. And I respect all of you. In fact, if one of you watching this video wanted to do lead gen, completely redo my content and completely offer back in support that I could oversee to make sure you're not screwing it up, I'd be all ears. I'd be like, what's that look like? How do we do that together? Okay. But just fixing videos, I don't even know if I'm going to continue this channel. I don't think anybody cares. So I don't know if I'm going to do that. I just wanted to commend you. And for those of you who are watching who have small service-based businesses, these people are marketers. They're showing you what's wrong. They're giving you a solution, and they're nice about it. So I believe in God. God bless you people halfway around the world, even if your God is different. I commend you. I commend you. You don't give up, and you're kind. I am going to mark this as spam, but I do appreciate you doing this service for me. Thank you.